Hi, welcome to this short video on Synth as an exit ticket tool. This is a cool tool. It might not be, it'll be a little outside the box in terms of exit tickets, but it allows students to record voice in response to a voice prompt from you. So depending on how you want to use this, it also allows them to respond to their peers. So you'd have to sort of test this out and see what you have in your mind about what your exit ticket looks like. Or maybe you want to have this or use this as a totally different discussion tool. So again, it's gosynth.com, and you can sign up. It's going to ask you when you sign up when you log in, whether you're a teacher or a student. I already have an account. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to log in here, and I'm going to use my Google ID. And then you can create channels, and channels could be used. Think of a channel as like a topic. Once you create the channel, it is a running account of all of the different responses or things in that. So you could create one for each day. You could create one for each class. You would kind of manage it how you want. But I'm going to go in here. I'll show you one. I've got a technology one up here, and you can listen to this. This is just a synth or a recording that I've made.
Test. This is an exit ticket test. A test on using Synth as an exit ticket.
So it's just a quick voice prompt. But then the cool part about this is students join my channel or a specific channel, just like they would join a specific Google Classroom. And when they do that, then they see posts, they see your audio recordings, and they can reply to them. So for example, then you come up here in the top right-hand corner once you're in your class, and you can see I'm already in on a test student here. I can invite a student to a channel, and they just copy paste this link here into their browser, and it will automatically join them. So you could add that link into your Google Classroom for a student. So if I'm a student, I would get this link, I would copy it, right? And then I would either click on that link as a student in Google Classroom, or I could paste it. So I'm going to flip over then here to my, I'm going to paste it in, and it's going to take me and automatically add me to that channel. Now, I was already a student in this, but this is what I see then when I go to my channels. I see that I'm a member of this technology training channel here, or like a class. And I can go in, and then I can listen to any of the others that are here. So for example, I could listen to this. I'm on this one right here. I listen to it, and then I can actually reply. We're going to allow microphone use. This is a test response to the test question from the Technology Training Synth channel. I can pause it. I can resume. I can say I'm done. I can play it. It's going to load it up. I can resume it. I can actually add chimes for the sound, and I can actually add links as resources to my audio recording if I want. So I can click a link, and I actually can paste links to other things into my response, and then I can share it. So now on the teacher side, this a quick refresh. Now on the teacher side, I can see that this student has replied to me.
This is a test response to the test question from the Technology Training Synth channel.
So I can listen to those. So this might, again, as you can think about this or here, listen to this tutorial, it might not be the most efficient exit tool, because all of a sudden, or exit ticket tool, let's pretend you got 20 kids in a class, and if you're middle school or high school, maybe you got 4 classes a day or 6 or whatever blocks you're in. Listening to those responses going through might not be the most effective thing, but it might be an alternative way of some sort of assessment benchmark check. Instead of giving a quiz or a test, maybe you give a question and kids explain what they know. If you are in some sort of distance setting, you could go back and forth. You can then reply to this specific student. So a cool sort of voice back and forth with the opportunity to add some resources or links as well. So that's Synth.